and Kitty Camolo, and our topic is all about why yawning is contagious. Aren't you wondering why we always yawn every day? The average adult yawns 20 times per day. And when you feel it coming on, it can be nearly impossible to suppress, right? But why does being around other yawners make you yawn? It is because of what we call social mirroring, where organisms imitate the action of others. When you see someone else yawn, the area of the brain that houses our mirror neurons lights up. It lights up because the paraventricular nucleus, or PVN, and the hypothalamus is regarded as the supratentorial control of the yawning. The PVN is an integration center between the central and peripheral autonomic nervous systems. The perception of the initial external signals, the parvocillular neurons in the PVN paraventricular nucleus of hypothalamus to release CRH, corticotropin-releasing hormone, which bind to CRH receptors on the anterior pituitary, initiating the release of ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. That's why when we saw someone yawning, we also yawn.
Yawning helps us bring more oxygen into the blood and move more carbon dioxide out of the blood. Yawning, then, would be an inflammatory reflex, something we can really control, to help us control our oxygen and carbon dioxide levels.
And that's all for today's video.